Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to Rich Start Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. I got a lot of questions about stimulus check. That's what we are gonna talk about today. And also, we got some news on 1,400 additional stimulus checks. So make sure you watch until the end of the video. So if this is your first time with Rich Start Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and how to be a real estate agent and make money. So if you're interested in making money in stocks, real estate, this channel is for you. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you do not miss any of my videos. Stimulus check. We got a few questions. Some people ask, I had a baby in 2020. How do I get stimulus check for that? And also, I changed my bank account, so I haven't received a stimulus check yet. And I changed my address. I have not received a second stimulus check yet. So what should I do? So all those questions, so that's I'm going to answer. So number one thing you should do is go to the Get My Payment, IRS Get My Payment tools. The link is going to be in the description or in the comment below. Check if you're eligible, if they send you a check or the bank deposit. So that's number one thing you want to do. So let's say you receive a check and they say here we send out the check or we just deposit the money. So if you have not received it yet, so what you can do is something called payment trace. Payment trace, you can do it by two ways. One is by calling this number. I'm going to put a number right here. And number two is by filling out the form called 3991. So I'm going to put the link to that in the description comment below as well. But I really encourage you to call IRS to do payment trace rather than sending out the forms. You know, as you already know, if you send out the form, you're not sure if they receive it. And even if you use certified mail, as it says deliver, you don't know that there's a chance that someone could lose your form. And there is a waiting game, you know, even if they receive the form, you've been waiting for like 1 week, 2 weeks, or no response. So you still need to call IRS. So you might as well call IRS in the first place rather than wasting your time and efforts and money into mailing the form. So make sure you call this number, call in the morning or in between 2 to 4 p.m. Or at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, you know, so when nobody's calling. So those are the times that I found it to be easiest to call IRS. So make sure you call them. That's called payment trace. So the third option, the last resort that you can do it, when the time comes to do tax filing, you can talk to your CPA or tax advisor from H&R Block to get recovery rebate credit. It's called recovery rebate credit. So if you have not received it yet, talk to the CPA and tax advisor. Hey, the check is on the way. And I've been trying to call the IRS. They're going to let you know how to do it. They could either put it in a recovery rebate credit, or if you do receive a check or whatever, you just cash it. You just cash it, whatever. So make sure you call IRS to do payment trace. So when you're calling for the payment trace, so make sure to wait 5 days if it's direct deposit. So let's say you go to the Get My Payment tools, it shows you the IRS deposit the money today. You do not call IRS to do payment trace right away. Just wait 5 days because it takes about 5 days for your bank to reflect the amount in your bank accounts. So that's why wait 5 days. If Get My Payment says they send you by a check, so make sure you wait for 4 weeks. So you haven't changed your address, you've been living in the same place, you use the same address for your 2019, 2020 tax return. So wait 4 weeks. If you haven't received 4 weeks, just call the payment trace. Because what they are going to do is, once you call them, they're going to check if the check has been cashed. If not, they might offer you to do direct deposit, which is much faster, or they might catch you another check. So I always suggest you to do direct deposit because it's much faster, much easier, You know, there's no getting lost, you know, stuff like that. So it's very less chance for the direct deposit to get lost than a check. So if you change your address, so let's say you have a forwarding address. In that situation, you wait for 6 weeks because USPS might receive a check to the old address. Oh, they're gonna say, oh, this person already moved, so I need to forward that to the new address. So in that situation, it's gonna take longer. So wait for 6 weeks. So this is a knowledge for you. So if you move, make sure you go to USPS right away to do forwarding. So that will be much easier for them to send you to the right address, the new address. So if you live in overseas, your address is overseas, wait for 9 weeks. 9 weeks before you call the payment trace. You call IRS to do payment trace. So 9 weeks for that. Yeah, so if you have any questions, so make sure you comment down below as well. I'm gonna talk about additional 1,400 stimulus check. So as you already know, President Joe Biden has been pushing for additional 1,400. Now, on the Senate, we got 50-50 with Democrats and Republicans split. So there's a high chance that this 1,400 could get approved. Even though the conditions could change, you know, who is eligible for it could also change. So because there's always a negotiation and compromise between different parties, and also even within the Democrats party, there's some people who are more conservative. It's the same for Republicans. There are some people who want to give 2,000 check as well. So in my opinion, if they could get it done, most likely you're gonna get it in February, or late February, or March, or April. Most likely in late February or March. The amount 1,900 could be the same, but the eligibility could change. That could change. President Joe Biden already pushed the President Donald Trump impeachment trial to the later date so that they can focus on the stimulus check. So it's it's their first priority. So the chance of you getting the stimulus check is really high. So let's hope for the best. So if you have any question, make sure you comment down below and make sure you share this video so that you know it's gonna help other people who hasn't known this information yet. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.